How to log out Facebook on other devices. Note that this steps that I am going to show in this video is applicable both on iOS and Android devices. So first of all, you have to connect your Android device or iOS device with stable internet connection. Then you have to navigate to Facebook application and open Facebook. Make sure to sign in on your Facebook account that you want to log out the Facebook account on other devices. Then tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then you have to scroll down and select settings and privacy. Now from this drop down options, we need to select settings. Once you're on the settings and privacy page, select see more in account center, and then here select password and security. Then under security checks, here's the option of where you are logged in. Select it. Then on this section you will see all the list of those devices that your Facebook account has been logged in. So if you see any multiple accounts or devices, then you have to select those devices. Then after that you can easily log out. So let's tap on our accounts here, and here we can see those devices that we have been logged in. So let's tap on any device, or let's select on devices to log out at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you have to check mark this small box that we want to log out from and tap on logout button, and if you are sure, you need to tap on logout again. So that is how we successfully log out our Facebook account on other devices. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.